Are you tired of your morning smoothie turning out more chunky than creamy? Or perhaps your current blender is putting up a fight when you try to blend those leafy greens into oblivion. Cue the search for the best smoothie blender that will revolutionize your blending game. From tackling frozen chunks of fruit with ease to whipping up a velvety smooth post-workout treat, we're diving into the world of blenders that will have you saying, "Sorry, chunky smoothies, we're breaking up." Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Oster Pro 1200. Our pick for best budget smoothie blender. Let's talk about the Oster Pro 1200. The blender for those who like their smoothies, like they like their Monday mornings. Budget-friendly but full of pep. Sure, it may not have the sleek build of its fancier counterparts, and its 48 Oz main jar might make you think twice if you're blending up a storm for a crowd, but fear not. It comes armed with a 24-ounce jar and a to-go lid for those personal potion-making days. It's like a smoothie magician in the making. While it might not deliver the silky, smooth textures of its swankier competitors, the Oster Pro 1200 still knows how to whip up a delightful blend with most recipes. Crushing ice? Consider it done. Just don't go throwing in an avalanche. Stick to a cool half-dozen cubes at a time. Cleaning is a breeze too, thanks to its easy-to-dismantle blade assembly. Just remember, it's a one-blade show, so be prepared to swap things around if you switch between jars. Now, it's not perfect. Some bits and bobs might feel a tad flimsy, but don't fret. It's got your back with a 3-year warranty that could last longer than some blender flings. So blend away, my smoothie devotees, and let the Oster Pro 1200 show you that budget-friendly and flavor-packed can go hand in hand. Number 4. Beast Blender, our pick for best personal smoothie blender. Introducing the blender that not only talks the talk, but walks the walk with a swagger, the Beast! Its curvaceous hourglass shape isn't just for show. It's a mighty powerhouse of 1,000 watts ready to blend your wildest culinary dreams into reality. Smoothies? Child's play. Frozen fruit? Pulverized in a blink. Need some slushy ice goodness? Consider it done with a couple of pulses. Nut butter? Made effortlessly, no metallic blender odors thanks to some internal magic that prevents overheating. And when this sassy blender decides to take a breather, fear not, dear user. It's got a color-coded light show to explain its mood. Amber lights mean it's feeling a bit overloaded. Flashing red signals, things are getting steamy in there. But wait, there's more. This bundle of joy comes with a storage lid and a drinking lid with an adjustable carry loop because your smoothie game doesn't have to stay home. Although, take note, the Triton plastic cup is a bit on the chunky side. Its wide opening makes ingredient additions a breeze, and thick concoctions slide out without a fight. Yes, it's hand wash only, but come on with that voluptuous shape. Cleaning is a breeze. Almost therapeutic. The Beast isn't just a blender, it's a statement, a promise that your blending adventures will never be the same. Still searching for the perfect smoothie blender? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Nutribullet Pro 900, our pick for best powerful smoothie blender. We sacrificed countless smoothie hours to bring you the ultimate verdict on Nutribullet's personal blender lineup. And guess what? We found the shining star in the Pro 900 model, the blending maestro that struck the perfect chord between bang for buck and whipping wizardry. With a swaggering 900-watt motor, this blender can pulverize ice like it's a superhero on a mission. No frozen fruit too tough, no kale too leafy, just silky smooth concoctions that'll make your taste buds do the tango. And forget about those pesky bits of leaf or skin ruining your sipping satisfaction. This blender banishes them to blender oblivion. Featuring 2 righteous 32-ounce cups, it's a dream for the serving hoarders out there. Yet still manageable for those rocking small hands. And for the handle hungry, fear not. Screw-on lip rings to the rescue for a grip fit for smoothie royalty. But beware, Rough Riders, these cups like to dribble if you treat them like a rodeo. Keep them upright for a spill-free joyride. Now, while we appreciate the expansive cups for the thirstiest of us, it's a bummer they won't snug into your car's cup holder. But fret not. Fellow blending buffs, Nutribullet's got your back with a lineup of accessories that'll fit snugly in the tightest of spots. So grab that Pro 900, blend up a storm, and sip your way to smoothie stardom. Number 2. Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus, our pick for best compact smoothie blender. Looking for a blender that packs a punch without taking up all your counter space? Look no further than the Ninja. With a 900-watt motor, this blender can whip up smoothies from fresh or frozen fruit and crush ice like a champ, all without leaving behind any funky smells. But wait, there's more. Not only does the Ninja boast power and performance, but it also comes with 3 20-ounce cups designed to keep you sipping on the go. 2 handy ready-to-drink lids and a storage lid mean no smoothie left behind. And guess what? These cups are so sleek and slim that they'll slide right into your car's cup holder. Talk about convenience! Now, we must admit, making nut butter in this blender wasn't exactly a walk in the park. The results were a bit chunkier than we'd like, and scraping it out of those tall cups, let's just say it's not the most glamorous task. But hey, when it comes to smoothie powerhouses, we can't fault the Ninja for not being a nut butter aficionado. The best part? You can toss those cups, lids, and blade assembly right into the dishwasher for easy cleaning. No dishwasher? Don't worry, just grab a brush for those hard-to-reach spots. Time to blend up a storm with the Ninja. Power, convenience, and style all in one compact package. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Vitamix 5200, our pick for best smoothie blender overall. Let's talk blender magic, shall we? The Vitamix 5200 is here to blow your taste buds away. This blender can handle all that fibrous goodness you throw its way and turn it into the silkiest blend your lips have ever touched. Feeling fancy? This sturdy blender might be a bit extra for your basic smoothie needs, but if you're all about that velvety smooth sip, then you've found your match. Plus, it's built to last, with a warranty long enough to outlive your current blender, and possibly your next one too. Simplicity is key with the 5200. Dial up the speed and get your pulsing groove on. It's that easy. Sure, you'll have to hit the stop button yourself, but come on, it's a small price to pay for the smoothie of your dreams. Now, if you're all about that personal smoothie life, you'll have to snag a separate jar. But hey, it's like adding some bling to your blending game. And if you're after those fancy blending programs, fear not. Vitamix has a whole lineup ready to cater to your every blending desire. So blend on, fearless smoothie warriors, with the Vitamix 5200 by your side. Because why settle for chunky when you can sip on pure bliss? That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best smoothie blenders. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which smoothie blender you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.